Mical, Teja. All right. Mical, Teja. Artist, writer, producer are just a few of the hats worn by Mical Teja. Hailing from the humble community of Gonzales in the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, a musical genius emerged. From childhood to adulthood, his passion and love for music has evolved into a successful business and career. The year 2023 was truly proved to be a breakout year for Mical with two hit singles, Hall of Fame and Mas Mical is also Trinidad and Tobago's 2024 Road March winner with his hit single DNA, which catapulted him into stardom across the Caribbean and the diaspora. Heard 110,000 followers across all platforms, pretty much 33 million streams. Let's see what else he's got going on. 120K monthly. He's real big up where I live at. Toronto, New York, Brooklyn. Why does that show us two different things? It's interesting. A lot of Caribbean artists are real popping in Brooklyn, bro. London. London's always one of them. Port of Spain. That's in Venezuela. It looks like it. Yeah, because this is Colombia. That's Venezuela. Heard, okay. We gonna listen and see what's up, man.
Teja, you cannot let her marry that money man from Sandu. Do believe that?
Don't worry. I'm coming on the last stream to fix things.
And 2 o'clock in the morning, my phone you're calling. When things get boring, it's back and all you want. I thought I was the one. I thought that this was love. But when I hear the scene, you know she's a bright to be. Now I am the last train, heading down to San Fernando. Coming 54, wine up on you. Unlock your door, open your window. Girl, I am the last train, heading down to San Fernando. Coming 54, wine up on you. Unlock your door, open your window. She want me go down there, ride it.
Yo, she brought him in another man's crib and is openly embracing him like this. She's savage, bro. Super savage.
Ride it, so let me go down there, ride it, ride it. And what she telling me? What she said, you coming San Fernando. She want me go down
That's 100% his girl, bro. No bullshit, that's his girl.
there, ride it. So let me go down there, ride it. And what she telling me? What she said, you coming San Fernando. 6 o'clock in the morning, the neighbor dog barking. I hear people talking. She tell me pass through the back. Don't do me that. You have a money man day. Look how your bills them paid. And you still playing game. Nobody wins at the end of the day. Girl, I know I'm not the one. I know that this ain't love. But when I check the scene, it's time for me to leave. Now I on the last train, heading down to San Fernando. Coming 54, wine up on you. Unlock your door, open your window. Girl, I on the last train, heading down to San Fernando. Coming 54, wine up on you. Unlock your door, open your window. She want me go down there, ride it. So let me go down there, ride it. And what she telling me? What she said, you coming San Fernando. She want me go down there, ride it. So let me go down there, ride it. And what she telling me? What she said, you coming San Fernando.
This is a final boarding call for the train to San Fernando, departing from platform 3. Passengers with tickets for this service, please proceed to board number.
Yo, he must have been really skrilling her shit, bro. She's at a wedding, bro, with No Diddy, bro. Someone that probably looked better, like down where they from. You feel me? Got money, bro. Dude's clean as fuck. You feel me? Probably paid for her dress. She living in his crib. The disrespect is OD. His dusty ass gonna pull up to the wedding, bro. This man better. I mean, he not going to because it's this man's video, but sheesh, this is some Tyler Perry ass shit.
Even on she wedding day, look, she still calling me. She begging me to stay. She don't know when to stop. The man give she everything, the house and the car and the ring. But you still playing games. Nobody wins at the end of the day. Girl, I know I'm not the one. I know that this ain't love. But when I check the scene, it's time for me to leave. Now I am the last train, heading down to San Fernando. Coming to Tifa, wine up on you. Unlock your door, open your window. Girl, I am the last train, heading down to San Fernando. Coming to Tifa, wine up on you. Unlock your door, open your window. She want me go down there, ride it. So let me go down there, ride it. Yeah, what she telling me? What she said? When you come in San Fernando, she want me go down there, ride it. So let me go down there, ride it. Yeah, what she telling me? What she said? When you come in San Fernando.
Yo, Kev, y'all got y'all got Tyler Perry movies over there? Do you know who Tyler Perry is? You ever watch one of his movies before? Okay. He's a very very unique actor, movie maker, director, media mogul. But he makes like some real goofy ass themed movies with like crazy ass storylines and whatnot. This music video followed one of his movie lines, bro. It was an interesting song, I'll give it that, but I'll say I couldn't rate that song this high, bro. Um, like a 5.9 max, bro. Max. Like the vocals was clean, but I mean the song was kind of goofy, bro. I don't know if that was like that's gotta be for a movie or something, bro. There's gotta be a reason why he made this that we just don't know about, because we just don't know about, bro. I'll say. I just told you he's a media mogul, bro. He owns like the biggest film studio in the entire world over in Atlanta. But his Medea series is mad goofy, bro. And that's like, this is like some Medea shit, bro. The good looking girl was fucking with some dude who was kind of like, fucked up, bummy or whatever. Left him, got with some dude who had money, you feel me? Didn't want to be with him no more for whatever reason. So the bummy dude, bro, slid and won back her heart, you feel me? That's what this video just was. This shit mad funny, bro. Dead ass. And there's mad movies like that too. Diary of a Mad Black Woman and all types of shit.